What's up, wonderful people? This is Eric Gill Jr. with www.ericgilljr.com. If you are new to my channel, I would like to say welcome to Residual Knowledge TV. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like and share. And today's subject, I will be talking about 9 tricks to learn faster. So let's go ahead and dive into the lesson today. Alright, let's dive into number 1. Break down difficult skills into smaller ones. If you know you have something that's going to take a lot of effort, I would say break it down to smaller subcategories. This is a way that you can learn better, faster. I used to use this strategy when I was learning how to play the piano. I would take a certain section of a song and I would break it down to smaller little sections so that I could learn it slowly but surely. Slowly but surely I will learn it. Alright, number 2 is focus on one sub skill at a time. If it is if you're trying to make a YouTube channel, let's use that, and you know that you need to have a video, you need to have a thumbnail, you need to have a title, you need to have the body of the information provided about the video. I will say, that's each one is a sub skill. Making a video is a skill, thumbnail is a skill. Do those one at a time. Number 3, celebrate your mistakes and learn from them. Definitely this will help you to learn faster, is by looking at the mistakes you've made and learn from them. But celebrate your mistakes. Realize that it's a mistake. Like, dang, I messed up. Okay, what can I learn from this? That's how you can learn better and faster, by learning from your past mistakes. Number 4, shorter periods of study every day instead of one long one every week. So shorter periods, instead of like tackling 10 videos a day, just using YouTube as an example. Instead of saying I'm going to do 10 videos in one day, why don't you just do 2 videos in a span of 5 days, so that you could use that energy for those videos that you're trying to make. Just shorter periods of study every day instead of one long period for the whole week. It will definitely help out so that you can learn faster. These are skills that I'm using. I hope that you can utilize this too. Comment below if you're getting any value from this video. Please let me know. Number 5, monitor your progress. Do a self-check on yourself. Look at the things that you've done, let's say for the day or for that week, and monitor your progress. Like, are you progressing or are you just doing things? Like, that's something that I have to I monitor myself with all the time. I'm looking at things, I'm like, okay, am I progressing or am I just doing stuff? Like, am I just doing stuff just to be doing it, or am I progressing? So please do a self-check on yourself, and that will definitely help you to learn faster, better, because you'll be able to look at what you're doing right and what you're possibly doing wrong. Number 6, quiz yourself. If you're doing something, like, I'll give you an example. I was learning how to make thumbnails. So I was watching this video on how to make YouTube thumbnails, and I was noticing that I had to keep going back to the video. So I told myself, okay, for this thumbnail, I'm going to quiz myself and I'm going to make this thumbnail without watching the video. And that helped my mind to get into a rhythm of, okay, you can do this, and I started to do it, and now I can do it without even watching the video, which is greatly appreciated. Number 7, teach other people. Teach other people what you're doing. Teach other people how to do it. What's the whole point of me learning all these skills if I can't give them to other people? That helps me learn, because I can learn something from teaching somebody else, because people will always give you feedback, and that's a way to learn faster. Number 8, apply the 8-20 rule. This rule right here is basically, this is where you focus on the 20% of the tasks that you give 80% of the results. So you do 20% of the tasks and you get back 80% of results from the 20% of the work. So if you know that out of your YouTube channel, whatever, if you focus 20% on making videos, and you know that that's going to produce 80% of the results, then focus more on making videos than everything else, because that's what's going to produce the results that you're going to need. Okay. All right, now to number 9. The last one is create a learning ritual. You know, what do you do to learn? Like for me, what I do for my learning ritual is that I'll sit down. Most of the time, where I learn how to do things is from the back office within the business platform that I am a part of. I'll go there, I'll watch some videos. First, I'll watch videos. 2, I will write down some notes. And thankfully, with this business platform that I am a part of, there are ebooks and stuff available to follow along with the video that's going on in different lesson points, which helps out. And then after that, after I have something I can look at and always go back to and write down stuff, then I go into action. And by me taking action, that helps me learn. That's my learning ritual. Watch, write down, and then do it. And that's been working for me for a long time. I mean, and these are just 9 tricks to learn faster that I have been implementing in my life. Please let me know if you have gotten any value from this video or from any of my past videos down in the comments area. Just write down value and stuff like that. I greatly appreciate it. If you are looking into learning how to make money online in a fast way, I would highly suggest that you sign up on the link below, that you can create an income or increase the income that you already have. It's a free 15-day business plan. After 15 days, if you feel that you don't need the program, we'll just hand you over the business plan, and you can just take it anywhere else. You just go anywhere and utilize it the best way that you can. Alright, this is Gill Jr. with Residual Knowledge TV signing off. Have a great day. Peace.